Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of laundry automation with our top 5 picks for the best machine washers of 2024. In this ever-evolving landscape of household appliances, finding the perfect blend of efficiency, innovation, and reliability is key. From cutting-edge features to eco-friendly designs, we'll explore the machines revolutionizing the way we clean our clothes. Stay tuned till the end to discover a game-changing contender that's sure to leave you amazed and eager to upgrade your laundry routine. Let's get started on this journey towards effortless cleanliness. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Hey laundry warriors, tired of mountains of clothes taking over your life? We've got something exciting to share. If you're tired of juggling separate washers and dryers, or if your laundry room space is limited, listen up. We're about to introduce you to the LG 4.5 cubic feet. Laundry day can be a real drag. Plus, turbo wash technology cuts washing time by up to 30 minutes. Smart Wi-Fi all-in-one washer dryer. And trust me, this is one appliance that lives up to the hype. So let's know about this. First up, let's talk size. Remember those days of cramming king-size comforters into tiny washers and praying they come out clean and not shrunk? This LG Warrior boasts a massive 4.5 cubic feet capacity, so say goodbye to multiple loads and hello to conquering laundry mountains in one go. Plus, the turbo wash technology is like a time machine for your clothes, cutting washing time by up to 30 minutes. Asterisk compared to LG front-load washers without turbo wash. Imagine the possibilities. But power isn't everything, right? This washer is as gentle as it is strong thanks to the 6-motion technology. It uses a combo of unique wash motions like tumbling, scrubbing, and stepping to mimic hand washing for a thorough yet gentle clean. No more worrying about delicate fabrics getting roughed up. And for allergy sufferers, this superhero truly shines. The AAFA-certified allergen cycle uses the power of steam to remove over 95% of pet dander and dust mites, leaving your clothes feeling fresh and allergen-free. Now, let's get techie. This washer-dryer isn't just about brawn, it's got brains too. With the Think app, you can control your laundry from anywhere. Get smart notifications on your phone for cycle completion, maintenance needs, and even early diagnoses. Plus, no more hunting for that missing sock. The app even tracks your laundry cycles. And for those living in apartments or tight spaces, ventless condensing drying eliminates the need for external venting, making installation a breeze. But does eco-friendliness come at the cost of clean clothes? Absolutely not. The cold wash technology lets you use cold water without compromising on cleaning power. It uses enhanced washing motions to penetrate deep into fabrics, giving you warm water performance with cold water savings. So you can be kind to your wallet and the planet, all while getting sparkling clean clothes. So, is this LG washer dryer my new laundry day BFF? A resounding yes. It's spacious, fast, gentle, smart, and eco-friendly. Basically, it checks all the boxes for a laundry superhero. Ditch the laundry blues and say hello to a cleaner, faster, and smarter laundry experience with the LG 4.5 cubic feet. Number 4, we're tackling laundry day in tight quarters with the BLACK+DECKER 2.0 cu. Fort Portable Washer. Now, I haven't personally used this machine before, so we're jumping in fresh to see if it lives up to its claims. Let's dive in. This washer is surprisingly compact. At just over 2 feet tall and wide, it fits snugly into my small apartment bathroom. It's definitely portable thanks to the handy built-in wheels and handles. Setting it up was a breeze. Just attach the hoses and you're good to go. Bonus points for the clear instructions. Now, 2.0 cu. Fort might sound small, but the specs say it handles up to 15.4 pounds. That's enough for a week's worth of clothes for me. So perfect for singles or couples. It also boasts 6 cycles: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. I tried the normal cycle for a mixed load, and my clothes came out clean and fresh. Plus, the ability to choose water levels and temperatures is a nice touch for customizing your wash. This little washer packs a punch. I love the stainless steel tub. It feels super durable and easy to clean. The transparent lid lets you peek at your clothes during the wash, which is a fun bonus. Auto unbalance detection ensures smooth operation, and the auto shut-off and child lock features offer peace of mind. Oh, and the delay start function, perfect for scheduling laundry runs when you're out and about. All right, let's talk about the important stuff. How well does it wash? Overall, I was impressed. My clothes came out clean and soft, even on the quick cycle. Now, it's not silent, but the noise level is comparable to a standard washing machine on a gentle cycle. Not a deal breaker for me, but something to consider if noise sensitivity is a concern. So, would I recommend the BLACK+DECKER 2.0 cu Fort portable washer? If you're looking for a compact, convenient, and feature-packed laundry solution for small spaces, then yes, absolutely. It's not a powerhouse machine, but for everyday light to medium loads, it gets the job done. Just keep in mind the capacity limitations and noise level. As for me, I'm definitely considering adding this little guy to my laundry routine. Number 3. Say hello to the GFW97HSPVDS washer. We're putting it to the test, so grab your laundry basket and let's dive in. This sleek royal sapphire washer is definitely an eye-catcher. It's compact at 28 inches wide, making it perfect for smaller spaces, but don't let that fool you. Its 5 cubic foot capacity can handle king-size comforters and family-sized laundry loads with ease. Plus, the reversible door allows for flexible installation, a huge win for tight laundry nooks. Now, this isn't your grandma's washer. It's packed with smart features that'll make your laundry life a breeze. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you control the washer remotely through your phone. Imagine starting a cycle while you're out, or getting notified when your laundry's done so you don't leave damp clothes languishing. Genius, but the real stars of the show are the ultra-fresh vent system and smart dispense technology. The vent system uses a fan to circulate air and prevent moisture buildup, which means no more musty smells. Smart dispense automatically dispenses just the right amount of detergent for each load, saving you money and preventing detergent buildup. No more overflowing dispensers or stiff, soapy clothes. Now, onto the most important part. How does it clean? I tested various cycles, from delicates to heavy duty, and I was impressed. The clothes came out clean, fresh, and wrinkle-free, even with stubborn stains. The dynamic balancing technology ensures a smooth, quiet wash, no matter how unbalanced your load might be. Plus, the Sanitize Plus allergen cycle is perfect for those with allergies or sensitivities. So, is the GFW97HSPVDS worth your hard-earned cash? In my opinion, absolutely. It's packed with innovative features that make laundry easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable, dare I say. The spacious capacity, smart technology, and excellent cleaning performance make it a strong contender for the top spot in your laundry room. Number 2. Hey laundry enthusiasts! Tired of juggling separate washers and dryers, endless cycles, and mountains of unfolded clothes? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the future of laundry convenience with the GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS washer-dryer combo. This isn't your grandma's washer-dryer duo. This sleek 28-inch powerhouse packs a punch, boasting a spacious 4.8 cubic feet capacity to handle even the biggest laundry loads. But wait, there's more. Let's break down the magic in 5 key features. 1. 12 wash cycles. From delicate silks to heavily soiled towels, this washer offers a cycle for every fabric and mess. No more guesswork, just sparkling clean clothes with the push of a button. 2. Fast airflow drying system. Ditch the long wait times. This innovative system circulates warm air rapidly, gently drying your clothes faster than ever. Imagine fluffy towels and wrinkle-free shirts in a fraction of the time. 3. Ventless heat pump dryer. Say goodbye to bulky hoses and complicated venting. This genius dryer uses recycled air and a heat pump to efficiently dry your clothes, saving you space and energy. 4. Smart connectivity. Laundry just got smarter. Control your washer and dryer remotely using the Smart HQ app. Start a cycle, monitor progress, and even get notified when your clothes are dry. All from your smartphone. Laundry day just got a whole lot more flexible. 5. Sleek design. Not only is this washer-dryer functional, it's also stylish. The modern design with a sleek black finish and a large viewing window elevates your laundry room to a whole new level. The GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS washer-dryer combo is a game-changer for anyone who craves convenience, efficiency, and a touch of smart technology in their laundry routine. With its powerful features, sleek design, and ventless operation, it's the perfect solution for small spaces, busy lifestyles, and anyone who wants to reclaim their precious time. So, ditch the laundry blues and step into the future with this innovative all-in-one wonder. Number 1. Laundry day blues got you down. Tired of shrinking clothes and endless cycles? Well, say goodbye to those woes and hello to the Samsung White Top Load Washer. This powerful cleaning machine is about to revolutionize your laundry routine. Let's dive in and see why this washer is a game-changer, spacious capacity. Say goodbye to multiple loads. This washer boasts a 5 cubic feet capacity, easily handling king-size comforters, bulky towels, and even your entire week's laundry in one go. No more cramming clothes or waiting for endless cycles. Powerful cleaning. Don't underestimate the gentle yet effective cleaning power. Its 700 RPM spin speed removes excess water, leaving clothes practically dry, while 12 standard cycles cater to all your needs, from delicate silks to heavily soiled jeans. Energy efficiency, eco-conscious. This washer is your friend. It's Energy Star certified, saving you money on energy bills and reducing your environmental impact. Feel good about your clean clothes and the planet. Convenient features. Forget about balancing loads or reaching deep into the tub. This top-load design offers easy access, while the built-in detergent dispenser automatically distributes the perfect amount for each cycle. No more messy spills or guesswork. Durable design. Built to last, this washer features a stainless steel drum that resists rust and wear, ensuring years of reliable performance. Plus, its sleek white finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your laundry room. So ditch the laundry day dread and embrace the ease and efficiency of the Samsung White Top Load Washer. With its spacious capacity, powerful cleaning, energy-saving features, and convenient design, it's the perfect addition to any busy household. Click the link in the description below to learn more and say goodbye to laundry day blues forever. So that wraps up our list of the machine wash in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Techsavvy Life family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.